think, yeah, I am live, I guess. Yep. So as usual, we will boot up the emulator first. How do I do that? We search for, yeah, this one API 25, this one is rooted. We boot that up and so focused and Trello. Okay, let's update the subdomain map. So the current task would be, let me update that, building subdomain map. Okay, or like, I think it's a single word, subdomain map, yeah. And the to do, what is stream label? Not stream label. Task, yeah. So we are also building subdomain map. All right. Yep. Blank space after timeout. I think we fixed that one. We are going to build the subdomain map. So to do that, first we need the Google Sheet. So focused map, or let me get the sheets home. Focused. Yep. Oh, is there any way I can turn this to enable for, oh wow, that's much better. So Facebook should block m.facebook.com. Also let's say mobile.facebook.com. I assume they own those domains. Let me wait a second, let me check that. m.facebook redirects to the Facebook. Yeah, yep. Let me log out first. Don't save and log out. Yeah. Okay. m.facebook. Yeah. What about mobile.facebook.com? Yeah. Okay. Now these two domains redirect to Facebook. So the idea is, yeah, we have two domains to block. And how about m.twitter.com? Oh, we have a, but that looks like, okay, mobile.twitter.com, yeah, and Instagram, like, let me check that, m.instagram.com, yeah, but it redirects to Instagram itself, so we don't have to worry about that. How about mobile.instagram.com? There is no such domain as mobile.instagram. That's fine. So the idea is, in the splash screen we will collect the I need a scratch file here. Before doing that, I need to check the stream quality. How do I do that? We go to twitch.tv and then go to Twitch. Yeah, stream looks good. It's fine. Right now we need to get something. That was a test. So where is the scratch file? No, not the. No, how do I create the scratch file? Control Shift N, yeah. So we'll say first we will get the subdomain map, which is in this format, like domain, and then we have a list of subdomains, I guess. Yeah. So first we get the subdomains. That will be in this format. Then we will have a room DB maybe. Should we? Yeah, we should. Yeah, this should come from the server or remote resource. So then we will create a room DB or room table, I would say. Then we will have domain, the same one. We'll have we'll have this in the list of string maybe. Yeah, and when user wants to block this domain, we will also block this plus this. Yeah, that should work. So yeah. Before going to do that, we will check what are the recent change we made. Okay, so the host manager, where is that one? Yeah, host manager. We will also block the www. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we should also block that. That's good. So yeah. So let me give you an example, or let's see what will happen when the user wants to block facebook.com. What we will do, we will want to block facebook.com, then we will block m.facebook, then mobile.facebook.com, then these two. Yeah, that's it. Arun, hi man, how's it going? How was your weekend, or how's it going? How's the weekend going? So we'll block this one as well as this. Yeah, Yep, yep. That should be it. So let's look at the changes. So what we did in the dashboard screen, that's it. And what we did in, okay, that we disabled. Yeah, I think we should add a, sorry, dashboard view. We should add a to do. That's fine. Okay, we don't need this, but we will do this. Okay, we might need to do this. No, yeah, we might, but this should be based on the domain we are passing. Yeah. Learning animations. You mean compose animations? www. Yeah. Yeah, it depends what we apply here. Not compose, just Android on original names. Yeah, cool. I don't know if you already know about this, but there is a library from Dymagia. Yeah, this one. So we would suggest you to check this out, library. I'll put the link in the chat. It's been there for 8 years, so it's one of the best animation library out there. But if you only want to use your own, if you really want to, if you want to use any library to do animations, I would recommend this one. Sure, I'll check it out. All right. Yeah, let's get back to business. Horse repo. Content is, yeah, this one also looks good. Yeah, I'll just call this backup. What just happened? I think the commit failed because we have Kotlin. And now if I say backup, now that's working. I think I should print some error message or something. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. I got curious over Play Store's install button animation. When the user taps on install button, there is a smooth animation that shows up. I actually didn't notice that. I don't know how we can do that right now, but it just turns the button to a progress bar. Not sure. Right. Dashboard. Now there is a chance we might mess up things, but so let's push this. I think we are up to date. Yeah, let's just see the repo. Looks good. Now first we need to go close all these. We'll open Splash. there we are syncing the, you know, yeah, the subdomains. So first we need, why are you taking so much space? Hold on a second. Spotify. Login with Spotify. Yeah. Now it should. Yeah. It should just work. Yeah. So first we need a repository. Repo, we have host repo, we have root repo, time repo. We'll create something called subdomain repo. Okay, this is where we store all the subdomain stuff. So we'll call this this one what animation you just said? Oh, just changing the button width to yeah, that looks nice. It's basically like, you know, changing the width, and yeah. So yeah, I remember Zunden was tweeting about a library that can animate the view properties. I mean, basically, yeah, let me find that first. Android animation view property. Maybe should I GitHub? View property animator. No, that's one. I think this one. View animator or what? How would you go about implementing that? Yeah, let me look at that one more time. So we have, so I have a I won't use a frame layout here, or should I? No, I shouldn't. So I will have a linear layout and not linear layout. What if I want to use constraint layout here? Basically, I will have two views. The cancel buttons width will be 0 initially, and when I click on this button, I will, you know, I will calculate the equal width. I mean, the width we need to display two buttons at the same time, and just animate the view property. So Zunden once tweeted about this library. I found this via Twitter. It basically animate the view properties. There is also a object animator API, I guess. I'm not sure. I didn't play with animation that much, but we can also do that with that. Internally, these libraries will be using the object animator API, I guess. But I think it's not that, the API is not that intuitive, I would say. That's why we have so many animation libraries. Yeah. Basically, just, you know, displaying the two buttons at the same time, but one of the width of one of the button would be 0, and clicking on another button would increase the width of one button and reduce the width of the other one to 50%. Yeah. How about you? How do you go about implementing that? I think that's what happening here. If you go through each frame, as you can see, there is a section or there is a frame when cancel is actually, where is that? Yeah, I think that's what happening there. Anyway, got it. Thanks for the input. Welcome. So, subdomain map. I'll first call the inject constructor here. Then I will inject the API interface. We call it API. Alright, that's not bad. And then we need to create, where is the sheet? Sheet focused. Wait. Yeah. So we'll put the sheet here and we'll take half of the screen, then main domain and subdomains. I'm still trying. I played with transition API and object animator like you said. Cool. I don't know if there's any better way to do this, but that's what I know. Are we taking both C? No. Yeah. So first we need to define the table name first. The name is subdomains. Yeah. Then we will take this one, the sheet of table subdomains, and the column names are main domain and subdomains. Alright. Now we will create something like this, but this is not a key value table. This is pure object table, so we'll simply say retrosheet.table subdomains and fun get subdomains. Then we will say flow resource. Can I call list of object? I think I can't do that, or can I? Whoa. This is fun. This is where is the API? Oh, we can directly return list. Yep, that's good. So first we need a DTO first. So to create a DTO, we will create, we'll create it here. We'll call this subdomain. Okay, I think we need to align with this format, or we need to define that. So the format would be, first we need to, what's world time? World time is an API to return the current time. Currently I'm not relying on the system time, which can be overridden by the user, so we are getting time from a external source. It's a bit of an over engineering, but I want to minimize the possibility of overriding the host rules. You know what I'm saying? All right. So subdomain. The subdomain structure will be gotcha. Nice. Cool. So there was a plugin to generate. How do I do this? Oh, come on. How do I call that plugin? JSON to Kotlin class. Yeah, this one. No, I want to open the plugin, not open the settings. Oh, it's option K. No, dude, it's not option K. Anyway, yeah. So the object format would be something like this. It will be main domain, and it will be twitter.com. Then subdomains would be, no, it's a single string. So we will have an n here, I assume. I'm not sure about that, but we'll go like this. Okay. Okay, that looks fine. That looks just fine. So subdomains will be a string, yeah, but we need to that's not the right way to do this, but I think that's enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. Yeah, we might use the DTO for the, no, we shouldn't actually, but I'm very lazy at the moment. But yeah, since we are managing both the front end and back end, all changes should be also vectored in the local. So we'll be using a single model to manage both the room and retrofit, which you shouldn't guys do. All right. So we have a subdomain here. We will call subdomains. That looks really good. Need to get some water break. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. It's because of this double ban. I'll be back in a second. Alright, what's the sound? So that's a plugin that will scream when you use a double ban. For example, how do I explain this? We need a nullable property. Yeah, so when you have something that could be null and you call anyway, when you call when you use double bind, the plugin will just scream. My teammates need this badly. Yep. Share the name, please. That will be Kotlin screen. Unsafe. Yeah, this one. Yeah, the subdomain. So now we need, I think we shouldn't use the DTO model. We should have another one. Yeah, we are being good boys here. We will have a different model. Your stream is always full of learnings. I don't know if this can be considered as learning, but it's actually a nice plugin. I mean, a funny plugin. You can also integrate that with Kotlin or something, and every time someone making or doing something against your Kotlin rules, you can do something similar. I mean, the plugin doesn't have that feature right now. It's just an idea. All right. Now we go to RoomDB documentation, and we will. Yep. Oh, we need a bunch of dependencies here. All right. So first we need what? First we need the room runtime. So we'll say gpm install room runtime. Module is null. This shouldn't come here. Why? Oh, I think I'm using an unreleased version, I guess. Let's check that first. Where are we getting this? Oh, wait. Where are we from? How do I search? Yeah. Module is I think it's from the beta. Never mind. It's not there in the GPM, so we don't have to worry about that. Yeah, so we were adding the dependency. So yeah, the first one. Then we need the annotation processor. What is the difference between annotation processor and KSP? Wow, they started supporting KSP also. To use Kotlin processing tool, to use Kotlin symbolic processing, KSP. Okay. I think this is for Java or Groovy. I think this shouldn't be here. I'm not sure. Is there a difference between Android and Cap? What is Android Cap and user? What is the difference between notation process and Cap in general and adding dependencies? You got 10 points. Simple type. Yep. Capped is the Kotlin the tool. You need this to generate annotated code in compile time. You can, yeah, but you didn't say what's the difference. Difference. No one knows. I think it's the same. It's a mistake in the doc, I guess. So basically what we need is the room compiler. We can I do this? It's the Kotlin way, I guess. Yeah, but I don't know why they have both annotation procedure. Maybe, I don't know. All right. Yeah, this should be inside the Groovy. This is correct. But we have Kotlin. I don't know. Yeah, never mind. So KSP room support. KSP Android room. Okay, how is this better than room and Kotlin simple processing? Documentation mistake probably. Yep. So what are the advantages here? Room is state packet based. As annotation process is widely used on Android, CAP became a bottleneck for build performance. To address this issue, Google Kotlin compiler team started working on an alternative that provides first-class annotation processing support for Kotlin. When the project was born, we got very excited for Room, as it will allow Room to have a much better support for Kotlin. As of Room 2.4, it has experimental support for Kotlin for KSP, and we observe up to 2-time compilation speed increase. Wow, that's huge, especially for clean compilation. Wow. This post is not about teaching annotation processing, Room or KSP, rather it's about the challenges we have faced and trade-offs we have made while adding KSP support Room. You don't need to know Room or KSP to understand it, but familiarity with annotation processing is necessary. This is how they managed to do the KSP support, but there is a 2 times performance improvement, which is pretty great. Let's give it a try. This is a pet project. You don't have to get any approval or anything. So this is internal stuff which I think I don't have to know about this. Let's hit the documentation. So is there anything I need to enable to do this? Okay, maybe we also need to support support KSP. All right. Do we need to do anything? First, let's GPM save. How do I add? Sorry, how do I add a cap thingy? Oh wow, I don't have an option to do that. Oh, cap support is still pending. There is no cap plugin enabled on the first cap install. We do have capped installation, I guess. Let's give it a try. Do we have capped or something? Yeah. Let's try with HTTP. Yeah, we do have capped support. Come on. I think we should update the doc first, or do we have it anywhere? No, we need to update the doc. Support, not support, it's support. Yeah. So yeah. Dark, please go dark. Right. So we hit this, and we'll say GPM install. You guys should have an option to do this, you know. We do have it. Yeah, that's cool. Now we need the compiler. Okay, so we'll say cat first, and we'll say room compiler, and compiler processing. No. Oh, but we are not using we are not using Kotlin KTS, so I think we don't have to use this. We can't use KSP. We can do that. Let's try. Let's see what happens. What are we planning to persist in room? This subdomain map. So basically, when user wants to block a domain, there will be other subdomains that will be pointing or redirecting, or it will make these subdomains will make access possible. So we also need to block this. For example, when user wants to block facebook.com, we will also block m.facebook, mobile.facebook, you know, just that. So and we'll be storing these informations in a separate remote store or remote endpoint, and as we in time we will update, you know, we will add other domains, and users don't have to update their app to get this map. Basically, we can store this inside a local cache or something, inside a static variable or map, or a simple map or a hash map, you know. But I just want to avoid that local update, so we are storing this inside a Google Sheet, and On every launch we will sync this with the device. That's it. Yeah, I think the KSP thing failed. Yeah, I think it won't work with build.table file. At least we'll go with cap for now. KSP with build.table. I think KSP won't work with Gradle files, or dev-tools.ksp. What are we doing here? Specify version 3.1. Yeah. Create a processor of your own. No. Simple files containing list of the domains and subdomains should work now. Room seems like a overkill. But then again, how do I sync the information? I mean, I got your point. Like, yeah, but the thing is, this list can be, grow in time. So every time the user blocks a domain, I need to read the complete file or the complete list into the local memory, and then then get that programmatically. So with Room or a database, I can simply write a work query where select subdomains where main domain equal to this, and it will only get the necessary subdomains. I know it's an overkill. It's not needed actually, but I'm just doing it for the sake of future. That's it. For this list, obviously, we don't need this. We don't need a Room database. But as I said, in time, this will grow. Every domain we will have a separate endpoint. Maybe I will put this, or I will create a form to add subdomains to here, so that users can add their subdomains and block stuff. What I'm saying is, in time this will grow, and file reading would not be memory efficient. Sure, agreed, cool. So KSP, I don't know much about KSP. This should work with, this will only work with Kotlin. Oh, we have could not find method KSP arguments. We'll simply search for this, and Google should be able to help this. What are the things we need? Could not find method cap from this guy is not using KSP, but what? Oh, could not find method cat. We are looking for KSP. Come on, that was my mistake. So how do I write a Kotlin simple processor? Oh, that's an amazing topic. A guide for creating a first. This is to write a simple processor, but I need to see the usage. I think we need this thing. I'm not sure. Let's give it a try. I don't know. No. Yeah, I think we need that plugin also. What is the plugin name? Do you have a class path or anything? No. KSP class plugin Kotlin KSP quick start. I don't want to create a processor. I just want to use the processor. 1.5.30. No, dude. This is not. Use your own processor. Use your own processor in a project. Title plugin portal. Create another module that contains a workload where you want to try out our processor. Here's this app will apply the KSP plugin to work. We don't need to have any plugins. You're just kidding or what? Oh, download is happening. That is unexpected. I thought it won't work. Oh, wow. There is download happening. And I think we did compile this. Oh, it's capped. I think we need to use KSP here. Wow, it did compare. It did. That's strange. I didn't expect that to work actually. What if I remove this? Then you don't have any idea about to fetch the. Yeah. What if I say 3.1? It's just the Kotlin version or KSP versions are different. Oh, KSP versions are different. And I think it is based on the Kotlin versions. So what's the latest KSP version? 160.101. Oh, that's really cool. Do we have 1531 101? Yeah, we have. This is what we need to use here. 1531 101. No, 100. M1 is the CE. Since we are using 1.5.31, we'll be using the corresponding KSP version. And can I say Kotlin version here? Do I have that? Okay, I have this here. So can I say something like that? Please. I think I can do that. Thank you so much. Okay. Why are you taking so much time, dude? Build successful, which is good. I will try to run this app just to make sure things are building. I think we need to change this song. I don't like this anymore. So what's this playlist? Homecoming? Yep. Yeah, launch succeeded. Yeah, and friends. G string, and I think we need to use this. Okay, now that we have everything needed, we have the compiler plugin, optional stuff, room KTX. What is included in room KTX? Room KTX dependency. Do you watch series, bro? Netflix, Amazon? I watch sometimes. But I didn't watch. Squid Games was a series, right? I don't know. It's a movie or series. I don't know. Whatever. I didn't watch that. What are you currently watching? Currently, I'm watching nothing. Yeah. But I am waiting for Try to Survive season 4. I think it didn't release, right? Next year. Yeah. But do we have a tentative date or something? 2021, 2022. No, we don't have a tentative date. It's just 2022. Waiting for Spider-Man No Way Home. Okay, Spider-Man No Way Home release date 17 December. And is this it? OTT release or anything? Oh, Hotstar? Spider-Man? KSP. No, it's coming on theaters. All right. I said yeah for release date. Okay, cool. The room KTS extension, what it does. What? List of KTS extensions. Enjoy KTX. Room KTX. So room KTX, room extension add coroutine support for database transaction. Yeah, that's cool. To use this module, add the following. Yeah, can do that. Then we'll have a suspend. Then we can have a flow. Yeah, that's quite cool. SQLite also has a KTS extension. Wow. db.transaction insert data. How do we do that? No, I forgot that. SQLite, Android. Do we need to open any connections or anything? Oh, we need to open a connection. That part I think they skipped that. Or I don't know. Raw Korea, move to first. Oh, they give a transaction object probably. I mean, it should be wrapped around SQLite, and the insertion and or the select query should be simplified inside this context. I'm not sure, but I would like to see the example if there's any. We are not going to use that, but I just want to see the usage. Intro KTX, fragment KTX. No one talks about SQLite KTX. Okay, my docs has a article on this. Android KTX, SQL KTX. Do you have anything about SQLite KTX? Yeah. Okay. I think they are releasing a new version to align with the KTX release, I guess. Every Android X KTX release, not sure. Let's look at the release notes and see what we have here. So no changes from the previous alpha version, no significant change at default method. So the changes are very minimal. Roommate SQLite. I remember struggling with SQLite open helper classes and with us doing all the implementation by hand. Yeah. Yep. Room is really nice. I mean, the APIs are amazing. Alrighty. Also the IDE support, that's a big plus. Ends in 56, our biggest Black Friday sale. Most popular, 33 USD per month. Ultimate Professional, Ultimate Team. Introducing unlimited access to all courses, all books, and our newly monthly live professional devices. Just 3 USD for your first year during your professional. Nice. Libgen FTW. What is FTW? For the win. Libgen. What is Libgen? What is this? Library Genesis currently used domains or Libgen OS. A guide to effective catalog searching. I think I need to search. What is Libgen? You can get any book you want for free. Any book. Okay. Any book. Okay. I think I've used this before. Libgen for Android books. Yeah, for the Androids. I was just checking if that's available. Anyway, I'm not a book person. I don't read books. I wish I could, but I don't have any interest on book reading. What about you? Do you read books? I actually read only one book, but that was to experience, Alright, so SQLite X doesn't do much. Leave it, let's leave that. We will get back to room. The Kotlin extension, we definitely need that. So I'll say room KTX. Me neither. I haven't read many books. I came across this site for getting Raven release books. Cool. So this is something like the Pirate Bay for books. Am I right? Or what? Is this completely legal or anything? I don't know. It shouldn't be. That was a stupid question. How come one site sell one book and one site sell that for free? I mean, yeah. Anyway, room KTX, we will need this. I think I should automate this also. I don't know. Illegal only. Okay. Alright. RX Java 2, 3 test helpers. Russian site operates this site with the noble thought of free knowledge of for all. Oh, I see. Russian people, yeah, got it. I don't know, have you tried the paging library? Paging 3 or any paging libraries? Paging 2 or anything? How was your experience? I didn't try that. Try that lib. But how was your experience using paging? Was that for a office project or a pet project? Rick and Morty app. Cool. That project, it was super smooth. Cool. Nice. So, do we have a dust? No, it's okay. Custom LCEE recycler view. What is LCEE? So it's a constraint layout. Okay. Oh, layout binding here. Oh, it has the error and empty state and yeah. Alright. Got it. Recycler view with error. Yeah, got it. Glide module. Singleton. App module. App scheduler provider. What is app scheduler provider? Oh, we don't have navigation? No. There's an implement come source pilot. RX Java stuff. Cool. what's happening. Yeah, so this is a Chrome extension. I what magic? Nothing. It's not a magic actually. So this is a extension I built like, when did I build this? Like 2 years ago. So this will help us navigate between, files like this. But that was like 2 years ago. I don't know if GitHub has changed. Probably they might have changed the HTML structure. So this extension, there is high chance this won't work. But I'm just trying. I'm just compiling, and do we have a, no, we don't have a public version yet. How do I build this? I forgot how to build one. Where is that sync button? Come on. Dude, there should be one Gradle thingy somewhere around here. Let's close this and reopen. That's a great feature. I believe GitHub already has its in-house solution for that. So GitHub has that for language like JavaScript, Java. GitHub doesn't have Kotlin support. Also, GitHub doesn't know about Android project structure. So basically, this plugin can navigate from layout files to from r.layout to layout files, and at string to string files, Android specific things. So this library had this feature. I don't know if it works right now or not, but it had that for popular repos only, I guess. Oh, I think it's not for popular repos. It's based on language, like for Java, Python. So this can, yeah, let's see. But where is that sync or build button? I think we need to create. No. This is not how it's meant to be. Let's go. GitHub should adopt your project and improvise. I mean, the logic is utter stupid. Like, I'm looking at the HTML structure, finding the package name, and redirecting to a possible path. But I should have used the GitHub API. But yeah, it works. That's what I wanted. I wasn't looking for the perfect solution. I just want something that is easy to browse. Yeah, so how do I build this? That's what I'm looking. I build all this stuff, but I don't know how to build stuff. The first thing I built on oh, I created a contribute MD file also. Okay, I think that's the internal structure, not how to build stuff. The issue is the project doesn't use Gradle. It is using the IML stuff, the IntelliJ markup language, I guess. Yeah, I should have written build instruction. But I think I am missing something here. I don't know. I think now I need to understand. No, no way. Maybe I think I should rebuild project. What build system it is using? I think IntelliJ has its own build system inside the IDE. If you have that IML file. Oh, that's sad. That is very sad. And resolve reference, I think it couldn't find the Kotlin JS dependency, right? Kotlin JavaScript. No. Global libraries, SDKs, problems. We don't have any problems, but we don't have a solution. It's not a jar. Should be other. No. Why? Okay, manifest file points to out directory which we. Okay, let's see. This will fail, or yeah. Why is it failing? Kotlin, you ensure that you have a dependency on the Kotlin standard library. Okay. I think dependencies. Dude, we have that. We have Kotlin 1.5. Why? Then why? What's your issue here? Come on. Talk to me. No. Why? Just why? What am I missing here? Maybe let's Google that. Kotlin unresolved reference in IntelliJ. Your IntelliJ IDE plugin and the Kotlin template that you use in the project need to match. For example, if IDE plugin is beta 1 and but you're barely okay, you will have issues exactly as you described. So that check that everything lines up. If you still have issues in some older plugins, you need to start with caches in. I don't have a Gradle. Remove and add the Java SDK again. The thing is, we are not talking about Java, it's Kotlin JS. And resolve reference for Kotlin JS. Possible solutions. No. I think it's probably the mismatch between the Kotlin plugin that I was using and the 1.5.1.3.1, yeah. 2021, that's when I was studying. 2012, that's when I was studying and standard. Okay. 2012. I think I was at, I don't know. Unresolved reference. Incremental compilation always fail. Score test runtime provides a compile time dependency, but Probably we can ask the other contributors of the project. I think most of my project doesn't have contributors. It's just a one-man army. I think, yeah, it's just me. No one else. It's just that the source code is public. I don't know, it can be called as an open source project. There is no public contribution at all. Probably we need to look at the IML file. What are we? Java module version 4. This should be managed by the welcome. What we can do is this. We should get a lot of errors right now. 1, 2, yeah. And here also, come on, give me some more error. Come on. You don't know what is browser. You are a JDK project right now. Now we will say use 1.5.31 and all errors should be gone, but it won't. Yeah, I think I'm going to close this. We will create an issue here. It's bug report. It's just that. Add build instruction. Yeah, that we need to find, but that's a to do. Forget about this. We will get back to yours. Oh, we closed that one. Oh, yeah, no. So character episode. Main activity. Locations view model. Episodes view model. On refresh. Cool. Yeah, this is cool, man. Nice. The room KTX. Okay, get back to the business. Now, first we need to create an entity. Then, okay, let me do that. Oh, okay. Now I feel very sleepy. Tomorrow is Sunday, right? I mean, technically today is Sunday. We'll do the rest in the morning. Now I need to sleep. Yeah. I'll just. Yeah, that's it. That's it. All right, man. See you. See you tomorrow. Good night.